Good morning and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Wednesday the 3rd of November. Now, European markets holding fairly steady, just slightly positive this morning after a weak start. FTSE is up around 10 points, 57.70. Now, the market today really looking to the Fed meeting this evening as the fallout from US midterm elections kind of explains itself this morning. Now, just a quick look at the UK market with Cobham, the defence contractor, the biggest faller today, down around 8% after issuing a cautious trading update on the back of the government spending cuts, and they're dragging their peer BAE Systems down with them around 2.5%. Now next, the major high street retailer have reported they will have to put their prices up by around 8% next year as the higher cotton prices start to take toll on their margins, and they're off around 2.5% as a result. At the other end of the table, the banks are the only major sector pulling their weight together this morning. Lloyd's up around 3.5%, just pulling back from the losses it made yesterday. But insurer Admiral is top spot, up around 4%, as they have reported they expect to meet their full year estimates for the end of 2010. Now, as mentioned, it's all about the Fed meeting today. Really, the market's been talking about it for weeks, and D-Day's finally here. Whether the QE2 will be as much as expected, and whether we'll get any surprises at 6:15 UK time this evening. Now, the potential for FX volatility is pretty high against anything trading with a dollar. We've got some fairly pivotal levels for most of the major currencies that are trading with a dollar. The dollar index is at year lows. Aussie dollar is near parity. Dollar yen still around 80.80, not quite getting to that 80 level yet. And both cable and euro dollar within a cent of year highs. So looking for potential movement this evening. Now, on that basis, we've got a few warm-up acts in the shape of the ADP job figures at 12:15 ahead of Friday's non-farms, and some ISM data at 2 o'clock. But really, it's going to be about that Fed meeting, so keep an eye out for that one at 6:15 again. On that basis, US equity markets slightly stronger in futures this morning, with the Dow up around 25 from yesterday's close at 111.25, and the S&P up 3.5 at 11.97. Both these indices are also nearing year highs.